Dispeller Tutorial Services. In today's tutorial, we're going to fill in all of the measures of each of the angles, given that segment A and B are parallel and that T is a transversal. So here we're given that the measure of angle 2 is 70 degrees. Well, if angle 2 is 70 degrees, angle 6 also has to be 70 degrees because it's corresponding. So we're going to place 70 degrees here. We also know that vertical angles are congruent, so that means angle 7 here is also 70 degrees. We have angle 3 that's also a vertical angle, so angle 3 is 70 degrees. And now let's move on to, I would say, linear pair. I know that angle 1 and angle 2 are a linear pair, meaning they add up to 180 degrees. If I already have 70 degrees here, then that means angle 1 has to be 110 degrees. And then I see that angles 1 and angle 4 are vertical, so that means angle 4 also has to be 110 degrees. Now, angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding, so that means angle 5 is also 110 degrees. And angle 4 and angle 8 are also corresponding, so that means that there is also 100 degrees. So to make this easier to see, let's rewrite. So I have angle 1 is 110 degrees, angle 2 was given at 70 degrees, angle 3 was also 70 degrees, angle 4 110 degrees, angle 5 also 110 degrees, angle 6 70 degrees, angle 7 also 70 degrees, and angle 8 we see at 110 degrees. Alright, that sums up this tutorial. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, thank you for watching.